Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, Hyleys Slim Tea Herbal Weight Loss Detox Tea. So, Hyleys Slim Tea is a herbal tea marketed for weight loss support, cleansing, and detox, built around a simple three-ingredient base that includes green tea leaf, senna leaf, and natural fruit flavorings, which varies by flavor. That includes acai, goji, raspberry, blueberry, pomegranate, mango, pineapple, blackberry, and cranberry, and a lot more. Now, it's caffeine free and non GMO and gluten free, according to them. Now, how do you use this? Now, according to the website, you steep one tea bag into a 8 ounce of freshly boiled water for 5 to 8 minutes, gently squeezing the bag afterwards to release remaining extract. And drink one cup here, preferably after the last meal of the day. And it can also be made as an iced tea by brewing it stronger with less water and then pouring over ice to dilute to normal strength. Now, the label directs not exceeding 3 cups in a 24-hour period here. Now, because it contains senna leaf, the ingredient with laxative effects, the product label specifically warns not to use it if you have or develop diarrhea, loose stools, or abdominal pain. Now, since senna can worsen those conditions, and to consult a doctor if symptoms persist beyond a few days. Now, as with any supplement containing senna, checking with a healthcare provider first is worth doing, especially for anyone with an existing digestive condition or taking other medications. Now, on the pricing side here, well, in this case, a single flavor of 25 count box are commonly listed at around $8.99 to around $12.49. Now, a 50 count box is around $14.99, and a larger 100 count assortment is around like $25.99, with lower per box pricing available through an auto ship or subscription option. Now, it's sold through the official Hyleys site as well as Amazon and other retailers. But that's about it. So if you found this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.